Flat tire? No problem. Here's how to change it in just a few easy steps. Make sure your car is parked on level ground, handbrake is on, hazard lights flashing. Gather your tools. You need a jack, a handle for the jack, and a tire iron. You'll also need a spare tire. Loosen the wheel nuts a little while it's still on the ground. Check your owner's manual if you're unsure where the car's jack point is. Position your jack and raise the car up until the tire is just off the ground. Be careful of your legs, don't get them trapped under there. Take off the nuts completely and remove your flat tire. Slide on the spare tire and screw the nuts back on. Lower the car and tighten the nuts properly in a cross pattern for even pressure. Now you're all done. And you're good to go. See you guys.